What's up, guys and girlies? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to do my hair for probably videos or anything really, and do my makeup, and probably just talk about nothing. But I kind of want to do a braid ponytail. I'm gonna put a picture up there, but that's what I think I want to do. I want it to be like right here, and swoops side by. Get the hot comb. My hair kind of wet. I feel like it's gonna be too big for the braid if I do it dry. I'm gonna hot comb it back so it'll be real flat. I'm gonna show y'all stuff I use for my ponytails. I like to use Murray's. This slick it back real good. Got to be glue. This spray. Spritz on this beeswax. I don't know, it just slick it so good. I don't know. I got a perm too, by the way. Don't shoot me, because I don't know how y'all like to fight with the perm girls. Because I really don't care for my natural hair to deal with it anyways. No, I want to talk about P-Valley. Not a recent episode, because I ain't watched it. I want to talk about this the episode where she left her kids there with that man. I just think, if you don't want to stay there, why would you leave your kids there? Like, that don't even make sense. If he's supposed to like you, and he's supposed to love the kids, and he beat you, what you think he's gonna do to them kids? Like, that don't even make sense. And what's another video I did? I just did this because I was like, what else should I do? Okay, let's see. Okay, I think that's okay. I want it like, not at the top, because I'm doing a braid. I want it like right here. Yeah. Try to put ponytail. I'm not done slicking it. I just like to put a ponytail where I'm supposed to start. Like, put it all up, and then I like to slick it, and then I take the ponytail off, and then I do it again. Got to be glued. I brush it like up. When I do my ponytails, this is like how this be poofing out. I be liking this like real slick. I like being Chinese with my ponytails. Like, I be wanting to look like this. You know when Erica did that wig on J-Way, and she was like this? That's how I like to do with my ponytail. What I do to achieve that is this right here. Thought I heard something. Put this right here. I do my whole. You gonna do a video? I'm doing a video now while you in here yet. No. No, I don't think that is. I think you need to get out my room so I can finish my video. Say bye, Hannah.
Bye, guys. Oh, so lit, Hannah.
Oh, then when I pull it up like that, look at that. I'll come back. Up. Brittany is here, if y'all don't want to know. She in there talking about somebody. Brittany, say hey. Hey. The camera. I gotta close my door because Brittany wanna talk about baby elephants dying. I ain't trying to hear that. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I use this on my hair. Take it down like this. Pull it up. Pull it real tight like that. Now brush all the extra up. Okay, I don't think it's in the middle, is it? It's gonna be in the middle today. Yeah. Y'all see that? Boom. gonna curl this. Time to pull the edges out. Take these little flat irons. Curly.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I did my edges off camera. I'm not gonna do a middle one. I wanted to do one, but I'm not. My ponytail, I need to dip this. And I'm gonna do let me see. So I'm trying to see, because if I do this one, I could do one. But I'm gonna have to do two pieces if I use this. I'm gonna boil this and it's gonna be real like loose. I like do my hair before I do my makeup. I don't know why, but I don't like when I do my edges and I got makeup on and then the hair start mixing with the edges. Like, I don't like that, so that's why I like to do my hair before my edges. I did good at the base of this, but I think I'm gonna put like a scrunchie on it. I don't know, so you can see it, because I don't like how it's just there. But yeah, I'm gonna be back with my makeup. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I'm done. I finished my makeup and I finished my hair. It's probably gonna be two separate videos because it's too long. But I'll show y'all pictures. Alright, I'm gonna put a scrunchie on it. And I'm gonna dip the ends because I still haven't did that. But this is the final look. Real cute, real. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.